Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it's just going to be another little weekly vlog. I'm going to show you guys some really fun college content. You guys know the drill. But first, I'm going to start off this video with a little mini clothing haul from Princess Polly because this video is in collab with them. They sent me over some really cute pieces that I think are going to be perfect for winter. I also have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen right here, but it's going to be paigecmillss20. But for those of you who don't know what Princess Polly is, it's basically just an online clothing store. It's kind of your perfect one-stop shop for really any occasion. They have some really good pieces right now that are basically just gonna help transition your wardrobe into winter time because they have some really cute winter pieces. But yeah, it's all available on princesspolly.com, obviously. I'll link it down below for you guys, and also check the description box for exact links to some of the items. Princess Polly also offers free express shipping, which I believe is 2 to 3 days to the US on all orders over $50 US. But yeah, hope you enjoy. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, so first up is this adorable little sweater. I actually love the way this looks and just how it fits. I feel like it's super flattering. This is also going to be perfect for the colder weather because I feel like you still look really put together, but you're still super comfy and cozy at the same time. Such a simple, easy outfit. Throw it on with your go-to pair of jeans, some cute little booties, and boom, done. But yeah, super flattering and super cute. How amazing is this little dress? I was really confused at first because the dress, when I put it on, was super long. But then I realized that you could take the strings on the side and make it however short or long you want it, which I think is seriously just the coolest thing. I've never had a dress that can do this. Also very girly vibe. I kind of love it. Wow. I'm actually obsessed with this. Very adorable. Okay, so next up is actually the same dress as the last one I just showed you guys, but obviously in black. This is so flattering. Again, you can adjust the sides. This material is also a little bit thinner than the last one for sure, because it's supposed to be a little bit more on the sheer side, which I don't know if you guys can really tell over camera, but I love it, and I think it just adds like a little bit more of a sexiness vibe. This would also be perfect for a holiday party, now that I think about it. If you pair it with like a sleek pair of black heels, or you could also totally dress it down with like a high top sneaker or something. But yeah, I love this. Okay, so next up is another dress. I know, this is seriously the last one, I swear. I guess I was just feeling super girly when I was shopping. But this is seriously, again, just the perfect little black dress. I love how it has this slit on the leg. I feel like it's a super nice little detail. The material on this is also really nice. It's a little bit thicker. More like the first dress I tried on, if you guys could tell. I also love how it has this higher neckline. I'm usually honestly not the biggest fan of when dresses have higher necklines and like turtlenecks and stuff like that, just because it usually like bothers me. But this one is super comfy, so you don't have to worry about it being like itchy and stuff like that. I also think it just adds so much to the dress. Princess Polly is crushing it with the dress game. Okay, so next up is this really cool little play suit. This is everything I have ever wanted. This again is so flattering. I feel like it just hugs all the right parts of your body. I would totally run errands in this as well, with like a cool pair of sneakers, or maybe even dress it up with like a sleek pair of nude heels. I feel like that would look sick. I feel like you can literally do anything with this. It's so fun and so cute. Okay, so next up is this amazing blazer. I feel like this is just like your perfect black blazer. It's obviously oversized, but it's not too oversized, so it looks like you're swimming in it, if that makes sense. And it also has these sick shoulder pads, which I feel like just adds so much to the jacket and really gives you like that 90s vibe. I also still have on this play suit I just showed you guys underneath, and I think this is just like the sickest outfit ever. You could also totally button up the jacket if you want and wear it more like a dress, but I think it's really cool opened up. But yeah, seriously the definition of your perfect black blazer and really makes any outfit. Okay, so next up is actually another blazer. This one is a little bit more fitted, as you guys can tell, than the last one. It's definitely still oversized though. It's like the perfect amount, if that makes sense. And it also has these amazing shoulder pads like the last one. So it really just gives you like that 90s, I feel like, off-duty model vibe. I still have on the play suit as well underneath, and I think this outfit is just so sick. I have a vision to wear this blazer as like a dress with a cool pair of cowboy boots. And I know it sounds kind of weird, but I feel like it could look really cool. I have a vision. But yeah, I love this. So dope. Okay, almost forgot to show you guys, but these are the last things I picked up. I think that these are just the sickest pair of boots, and such a statement. I already know I'm gonna wear these a ton over the winter season. And I feel like they also just add so much more than your pair of basic black booties. But yeah, these are epic. Okay, wait, I lied. This is actually the last thing I got. You guys can't really tell, but they're these really, really pretty tights that have these little heart designs all over it. I'll insert a photo right here of them on so you guys can actually tell, because you can't really right now. These are a major winter wardrobe essential though, and I feel like you could also just never have enough tights, especially during winter. But yeah, that is everything I got from Princess Polly. So I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, let's continue on with the rest of my day and week. It's a little bit later in the day right now. It's actually nighttime. Right now I'm actually gonna go pick up some dinner with my little Jade. We're just gonna pick up food and bring it back to our sorority house and eat there. I'm also getting a burger tonight, and I'm so excited. We got the goods. So good. Side of fries. I'm so excited. This is what Jade got. She got a salad from Butch's. It looks really good actually tonight.
So good today.
Extra chopped.
Extra chopped.
Morning, guys. It is a new day today. First things first, I really need to shower and wash my hair. I put this hair oil, like I guess mask situation, and I slept with it. So my hair is looking pretty greasy right now. After, I think I'm gonna also apply some self tanner. I've actually been using a new line of tanning products that I love, so I want to show you guys that. But yeah, first I'm gonna shower and I will see you guys after. Okay guys, so these are the tanning products that I have been obsessed with lately. That would have been bad if I just dropped that. But it's by the brand Luxe Unfiltered. It's their, I want to say bronzing, yeah, bronzing face drops. This just gives you the prettiest, like healthiest looking glow. I've been obsessed with this lately. I've also been using their gradual body tanner. This one you're not supposed to put on your face. That's why they obviously have the face drops. I usually put this on like every other night typically, unless I have like an event coming or it's the weekend, or if I just want to look extra tan, I'll probably put it on like every night for like probably 3 or 4 days. But yeah, these are both bomb. Obsessed. Okay, so basically what I do is I just take my moisturizer. I just take probably like a little extra than I usually would. And I just put this all over first. But usually I get a little drier on my chin, so I'll just take a little extra and really like just make sure it's covered. And then I usually take just like around like 5 to 6, just depending on how I'm feeling. I'm not really too specific with it. And I rub it in my hands and then just put it all over. And then that's literally it. And obviously also it looks a little oily because you just put oil all over your face, but I still think it's just super pretty and so healthy looking. I'm also going to use a little bit of this perfume as well. It's by Le Labo. It's Centol 33 and it smells so good. Ta-da! You guys can actually already start to tell just like that natural glow that it instantly gives you. I also just put my hair up to make sure it's off of my face and not rubbing against it, even though it dries in like 5 minutes max. I don't know. But I actually have class starting in like 15-ish minutes, so I have to go get ready for that. Okay, so it's around dinner time right now. I think I'm gonna just make one of my easy go-to big salads. First, I have a little baby mini Persian cucumber. I have a lemon. I'm gonna use this as my dressing mixed with olive oil and a little balsamic. I'm gonna char up some broccoli and just throw that in, get some extra greens. Some butter leaf lettuce. This is my favorite lettuce. to use in salads. I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan flakes on top, and then I'm gonna have chicken as my protein. And recently, I've been getting a full rotisserie chicken at the market every week, just because it makes meals super easy. I can warm up however much I want for lunch or dinner. I don't have to worry about cooking chicken, and it's just already done. I'm gonna cut up some cucumber. Gonna do a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Gonna do a little bit of garlic powder as well. A little bit of paprika, give it a little spice. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 for about like 20-ish minutes. Little lemon. Just threw some Parmesan flakes on top. Now I'm just waiting for the broccoli to be done. Okay, and that is dinner. I just took the broccoli out of the oven. It looks bomb. I had it in for like about, I wanna say like more 30-ish minutes at 415 in the oven. And then I also just cut up a little chicken. It looks not the prettiest, but I swear it's yummy. And I just have my salad. But yeah, that is dinner. I'm starving now, so I'm gonna go eat this, and I'll talk to you guys after. Bye. Okay, I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't do an outro. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye, guys.